I am in the kitchen. And I am in the kitchen.
I am at the bus stop. I am at the bus stop.
I am at the cinema. I am at the cinema.
I am on vacation.
I am on vacation. I am on the phone. I am on the phone.
I am under the table. I am under the table.
I am near the picture. I am near the picture. I am holding my bag. I am holding my bag. I am at the playground. I am at the playground.
I am in a meeting. I am in a meeting.
I am at the bookshelf. I am at the bookshelf. I am on the train. I am on the train. I am at the gym. I am at the gym. I am in bed. I am in bed. I am in the shower. I am in the shower. I am in the garden. I am in the garden.
I am in my room.
I am near the tree. I am near the tree. I am at the beach. I am at the beach. I am in bed. I am in bed.
Great job! Thank you for practicing English with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye!